Hey guys, I only did one call this week and that was for a NAS re-long on the 4 hour. Aaron and I have just been putting together a lot of content to help educate everybody from a beginner level with just price action. So that's coming out at the end of this month. So yeah, we've just been tied up with that recently, but from this week coming, we're going to be back on the TA. So this was when I saw that bullish candle, that's when I called the relong on NAS. I was concerned about, there was a lot of news during this period. So intrabar on this red candle was the Japanese interest rates. They held interest rates. And then intrabar on this candle was the US interest rates. They held their interest rates as well. But that was the candle that I called for possibly a trigger re-entry. And as DBT said, I'll just chuck the weekly level on the chart. This 4-hour trigger was actually a weekly 1 hour long entry if you've gotten into it. So, and you know, it's made a double bottom. I do think NAS is going to keep longing into next week, you know, having said this. So it was a weekly 1 hour long. I was just looking at the 4-hour trigger, that 4-hour turning point candle, and it is a higher low in an uptrend to long. Again, that has happened. I think I made equal lows. If you just look at the bodies of the candles, equal lows on the bodies, higher low, re-long. So yeah, I think this will break this structure here. I think it will continue to long into next week, if just for a little bit. Let's just have a look. So the week is going to open above the 1 hour 100 EMA. We're going to open above it. So already you're expecting hopefully for a bullish week, which ties into exactly what we're saying. This could have been the weekly 1 hour going into next week. So it might not come back and make another 1 hour oversold wave. That might not happen, but I still think it will long, at least for Monday, Tuesday into next week. We can maybe catch D15s. That's something we could look at. Trying to nest, you know, smaller longs inside of this larger long, coming up to break that structure, trying to catch a D15. So yep, I think that will continue. And that was the only one I called this week. So we'll be giving you guys an update of things to come towards the end of this month. So the end of this week coming, or the week after that, we'll be sending out some updates about some more education material, hopefully some indicators as well, just to help guide you guys. And Aaron and I will be getting on more frequently again to do pre-weekly and post-weekly TA for you guys. But as always, if you have any questions, just message me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks, guys.